Hi, sorry to hear about the problem with your Electrolux washing machine, EWF9024. It's leaking from underneath. You want to check for holes in the door seal, also inspect the actual washing machine pump and the pipes at the bottom. And also it's worth putting some newspaper underneath the machine to see the area where the water is coming from. Now, as I said, I'm at the IFA trade show in Berlin where Electrolux has got a stand. I'll just quickly show you. I've come up the Berlin Tower today and it's absolutely a glorious view from up here. Anyway, when I get back to the camper later, I will create you a web page specifically with additional videos and everything to help you with your washing machine repair. And I'll also add additional videos to help you find the leak on your machine. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.